Continue story next part. Faraday was now a legend. In 1840, he developed memory loss, which continued for the rest of his life. But the disease did not stop him. He persevered, starting a complicated experiment to prove that light was closely related to electricity and magnetism, a novel thought in those times. Remember that piece of Bavarian glass Faraday had kept on his shelf? He was determined to convert the reminder of his first major failure to an instrument of great success. He used the same glass now to show that, in the presence of a magnet, light could be isolated into a single wave rather than spreading out randomly in all directions, a concept called polarization. He then took the age old experiment of sprinkling iron fillings on a sheet of paper near a magnet, making circular patterns. He went on to prove that these patterns were not a property of the iron fillings. In fact, they were due to the invisible magnetic fields that filled the empty space around the magnet and hence disturbed the fillings. This is where his lack of formal education went against him. Faraday did not know much about advanced mathematics, so he just copied the iron fillings patterns with his hand. He was unable to explain them in the form of mathematical equations. He made hundreds of such drawings, but without equations, they were not accepted. Fortune favored the brave Faraday once again when he met James Maxwell, a wealthy, educated physicist well versed in mathematics. He was willing to work with Faraday. It was Maxwell who translated Faraday's idea into a set of equations that are now called Maxwell's equations. Their combined work has helped us in many ways. Electronics and communication systems today are designed around their discoveries. Someday we might even be able to communicate with aliens across different galaxies using the products of these discoveries. Faraday's life started with difficulties. But as a great scientist, he met each difficulty with perseverance and conviction. He was given impossible tasks, which he undertook as challenges and opportunities. He epitomizes what the Walt Disney character Pinocchio said: "When you wish upon a star, it does not matter who you are." Children, how was the great scientist's real life story? Ma'am, it is very inspiring. That's true. It really inspires in many ways.